Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert texture fill to a shape in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we go to the insert menu and select the shape option. We can see here many shape. You can add any shape. Now I am select the oval shape. Then draw the oval, press and hold the shift on our keyboard. Then we select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Now I am select the format shape option. Then we go to the fill and line option, then enable the fill option. Now I am select the picture or texture fill. Then we can see here automatically added a texture. Now you want to change this texture, select this drop down menu. We can see here the water drop test texture or another texture, denim texture or another texture. You can add any texture to this drop down menu. Now I am select this. You can add the outline color, enable the line option and increase the outline color. Now I am select the black color and increase the wide of the outline. Then close the panel. Now we can see we insert texture fill to shape in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.